cafeteria food here at Kickapoo?
Yes, I eat it every day at lunchtime.
Do you eat breakfast?
No, so I rely on this as my main source of food for the school day.
I would never eat it personally if I didn't have to, but like I said, it's my main source of food throughout the day to get me through the school day, so I'm sort of forced to eat it. It's pretty much unfit for humans, and it should be improved. The meat is undercooked and gross. The cheese is from packets in the freezer, and it's just overall not good.
The fact that it's undercooked, and I've also overheard that the grade of the meat and the grade of the food overall is like the worst grade that they can get away with serving the kids within the school. So overall, it's just terrible. I had to choose the best part, which it's hard to choose because I don't like hardly any part of it. It would be the price, but to be honest, the price that it's sold at is probably a little too much for the food itself and the grade of the food. So the price is a bonus, but it's still not very good. It can improve by just picking different items, and one thing that you could add was improving the grade of the food. That would make it tremendously better and improve on it a lot. And another thing you could remove is the high price of the food that's on the racks, like the snacks. You could reduce those because it's really not worth it. The chips, they're just bags of air, and then overall it's just not worth the price that it's served at.